Okay, welcome back children. So we have learned how to do subtraction without borrowing and how to do subtraction with borrowing. Okay, and we have done some word problems on that. Now we are moving to a new section. Here we are going to do, you will find the difference. That is, I will give you a question for subtracting. And then we need to check whether that answer is correct or not, isn't it? So I will teach you how to check that answer. Okay, that is what you are going to know now. So you take page number 45. See the first question there. Before that you can see what is written, subtraction checking. For checking the answer, we add the answer. You got an answer, isn't it? After subtracting you will be getting one answer. You take that answer and you should add it to the smaller number. Which is a smaller number? That is the second number. And if you get the answer, after you add it, when you add it, if you get the bigger number, that means our answer is correct. Okay, so that is what is shown. See, greater number minus smaller number, you will get the difference. That is what is shown in the worksheet. How are we checking? You take the answer and if you add it with the smaller number, you should get the bigger number. Okay, so we just see the first question. 6, 5, 3, 2 minus 3, 8, 1, 7. So they have asked you find the difference between 6532 and 3870. So first we are going to find the difference. Now 2 minus 7. Is it possible children? 2 minus 7? No, it is not possible, isn't it? So you will borrow. This becomes 2 and here this becomes 12. Understood? Now 12 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much you get? You get 5. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Now 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? Yes, you get 1. Then 5 minus 8. Is it possible? No, 5 is smaller than 8. So you will borrow from 6. This becomes 5 and here this 5 becomes 15. Okay. So, what is 15 minus 8? After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much you get? You get 7. Children, you have to do it with me, okay? Now, 5 minus 3. From 5, take away 3, how much you have? 2. So, you get the answer as 2715. Now, we are going to check it. To do checking, what you have to do is, take the answer. This is the answer. 2, 7, 1, 5. Okay? And put a plus sign. Take the smaller number. Which is the smaller number out of these two? The second one, right? 3, 8, 1, 7. Okay? Now you add it. 5 plus 7. What is 5 plus 7? After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12, isn't it? So 2, carry 1. Okay? Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much will you get? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. You get 3. Then 7 plus 8. How much is 7 plus 8? After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. 7 plus 8. So, how much you get? 15. Carry 1. Yes? Now, what is 1 plus 2? 3. 3 plus 3? 6. Is this the greater number? Yes? So, that means our answer is correct. This is how we do checking the answer. And when you are after minusing, if you want to check the answer, what you will do is take the answer, add it with the smaller number. Take the answer and add it with the smaller number. And if you get the bigger number, that means our answer is correct. Understood children? I'll show you one more question. Second one. 6, 2, 8, 3 minus 3, 7, 9, 4. Okay? Minus 3 minus 4. Possible? No. So borrow. When you borrow, you get 7 here. And then this becomes 13. So what is 13 minus 4? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much I got? 9. So write 9. Okay. 7 minus 9. Possible? Not possible. So borrow from 2. This becomes 1 and here it becomes 17. Okay. 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9, children? After 9 you count till 17. See how much you get? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much I got? I got 8. Now, 1 minus 7. Is it possible? Not possible. So, borrow. This becomes 5 and here it becomes 11. So, after 7, count 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. How much I got? 4. And then 5 minus 3. From 5 take away 3, I get 2. So, this is the answer I got. Now, I am going to check it. For checking, I will take the answer first. 2, 4, 8, 9. Okay. Then, I should add it with the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 3, 7, 9, 4. That is the smaller number. When you add it, you should get the bigger number. That is the first number. So, we will add and see. 9 plus 4. What is 9 plus 4? 9 plus 4 is after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, you get 13, carry 1. Okay. Then, 1 plus 8 plus 9. I am going to do 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. We know that. And what is 10 plus 8? 18. Carry 1. You should be thorough with addition, okay? So, 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Now, again. Carried 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you get 12, carry 1. Okay, now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So I got the answer 6283. Is that my first number? Yes, so that means the subtraction what we have done is correct. So, understood how to check the answer? So, first you will minus and then you will check the answer. So, next page there are 3 more questions. You have to do it. Okay, children? Then, the last page 47, there are 2 word problems. I will read it. Read it with me, children. A farmer packed 4,982 oranges. Out of these oranges, 1,269 oranges got spoiled and had to be thrown away. How many oranges were left with the farmer? How many oranges were left with the farmer? What will you do, children? Yes, you will subtract. So, first farmers having how many oranges? 4,982. So, what is the first statement? Number of oranges the farmer had. Okay. So, 4,982. Then, what is the next statement? Number of oranges spoiled. Or you can write the number of oranges that got spoiled. Okay, children? How many oranges got spoiled? 1,269. So, second statement is number of oranges spoiled. Spoiled. Okay. And or you can also write number of oranges thrown away. That also you can write. Okay. And the last statement, number of oranges left with the farmer. Number of oranges left with the farmer. How many oranges are left? How will you find out? You have to minus. Okay, children? So, you will do it. Next question. The total cost of a watch and a mobile phone is rupees 9,897. So, total cost, okay, cost of the watch and the mobile phone together. Cost of the watch and mobile phone together, it is 9,897. And they given you what is the cost of the mobile phone. What is the cost of the mobile phone? 7,152. So they are asking you to find the cost of the watch. What will you do? They given you the total cost of the watch and the mobile phone. Okay, total cost of watch and mobile phone. And they given you separately what is the cost of the mobile phone. And you have to find out what is the cost of the watch. So in that case, what you do, children? You will minus. Okay. So what will be the first statement? Total cost of watch and mobile phone. Total cost of watch and mobile phone. Write the number. Rupees 9,897. Second statement. Cost of the mobile phone. Cost of the mobile phone. Rupees 7,152. Okay. And then last statement, cost of the watch. And you have to minus, answer should be written in rupees. Okay, children? Children, you have to write it on your own. That is why I am not giving you the answer. You should learn how to write word problems, how to write the statements of the word problems. So, that 2 questions you will write it on your own. I have given you the statement. You can use your own statement which you want. Okay, children? Not necessary that you have to use a statement what I am giving. But it should be proper, simple and neatly you have to write it. Okay, children? And then minus and write the answer. And children, unit is very important. If they ask you the cost, you have to write rupees. Or if you ask you the weight, you have to write it in kilogram and grams and all these things. So, unit is also very important when you are writing the answer. Okay, children? So, this is the end of the chapter. So, there are 3 topics in this. First, you learned how to do subtraction without borrowing. Then you learned how to do subtraction with borrowing. And then we learned how to check the answer of subtraction. Okay, so these are 3 things that we have learned. You have to complete the worksheet, work out the problems which I have not given, practice more on subtraction. Okay, children? Thank you.